How about you, everybody? I'm Hank. Welcome to Hamiltonville Farm. There's a project I've been wanting to do for a while now, and it's simply adding a trailer hitch ball to a quick hitch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect this box blade, and I'm going to put a quick hitch on top of my I'm going to put a trailer hitch on top of my quick hitch so I can move my trailer around. Let's go. I'm actually going to use my welder, and we're going to go to Brandel's house. I actually just bought a new lens for this helmet, so I'm going to see if it works. That's really kind of why we're going over to Brandel's to see if I got some new stuff that works. Oh, and then I'm taking him some of this liquid wrench stuff that I got. Liquid wrench is the best product we use here on Hamiltonville Farm. Put some of these bad boys in here. I don't know what the configuration is going to be yet. I made it to Brandel's. Hey, Brandel.
Hey, how are y'all?
Hey. So this is what we're going to do. Put these on top of that somehow or another.
Easy enough.
All right, I got something for you, Brandel.
You got prizes?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Catching on video.
Hey, look, woman.
Sun's blinding.
Hey, I'm in the sun. I'm in the sun. Look at you. Center fielder, center fielder.
There we go. Woo. Hey, look at all that. That is fancy stuff.
All right, so I think we're going to work out a plan here. What do you think?
So what we've got this cut off square tube. We're going to just mount it flush right here with the quick hitch, where this is flush with that, and then we'll drill holes for our drawbar.
Yeah, I think that'll work. You think that Chinese powder coating's got the coronavirus in it?
That's it, coronavirus powder coating right here.
So we don't have a big heavy trailer at the house. I mean, we've got a single axle trailer it's 14 foot long, and I think the axle's a 3,500 pound axle. So it ain't like this hitch is going to be pulling a lot of weight. To be honest with you, it's probably going to be pulling a trailer full of hay for hay rides in the fall for the kids at our church.
Perfect.
Now this is a really easy project for you that want to modify your quick hitch just to haul small trailers around your house, especially if you have like a subcompact that's got a quick hitch on it, or less than 40 horsepower or something like that. Now I've got to figure out where to put the hitch, the hole for the pin in the hitch.
So 6 3/4 is 3 3/8. So there's 3 3/8. The amount that you love the Lord, Hank, that's the amount that I hate drilling. So now we're marking the other side to get our pilot hole from this side.
So there's a couple of purposes for this video. One is to show you the project that we're doing, and two, really for Brandel to kind of teach me how to do welding on my little Lincoln welder. This is the Procore 125. You know, I don't have the oxyacetylene, or I don't have the big type welding equipment. So hopefully the master welder over here,
yeah. Master welder.
Hopefully the master welder can teach me a little bit on how I can use this machine a little more efficiently. So one thing he taught me right off the bat here was inside the hood, you have a chart, and it tells you the actual speeds and the heat associated with the material that you're welding. And so this says multiple passes required if you're going to be into the heavy stuff, which is what we're going to be doing. But I'm going to go to 3E as our settings. Make sure you use the non-shielding or non-gas. What's it called?
Flux core wire.
Flux core wire, yeah, for this type of welder. And so we'll set 3E, and now we'll do a couple test passes here. Right there?
Yeah.
That's not good at all.
It's not good at all.
All right, so that's my first pass. It's absolutely horrible. I told you guys I ain't a welder, right? So let's see how I improve by the end of the project. All right, so what we're gonna do, I was going too fast. The wire speed was too slow. So now I'm gonna try to puddle it and lead that puddle with the gun.
I don't know if you just suck or if the welder sucks. But I mean, I suck too.
I'm sure it's me.
So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead. You already brushed that, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to do the lower pass. Let me get this. We'll do the lower pass. So, and see, you want to keep your stick out kind of short too. But it's like machine gunning.
So we replaced the tip on here because it was pulsating or machine gunning or pushing away from it, and that's what the top bead did with that. So you can see the top bead is actually better than the bottom two beads, or the middle and bottom bead. Still got some practicing to do, huh?
A little bit.
A lot of times you'll see people put like flat bar or kit from Harbor Freight or something like that already on here, but square tubing works fine.
Square tubing and a drill bit.
And so here we go. Let's see. Slide that bad boy on there. Look at there, huh? And then put the pin through it. Let's see if the pin fits, Brandel. All right, here we go. Let's see here. Look at that, huh? Like a glove. Oh, that's gonna be hot. Don't want to touch that.
Yeah, probably not.
And of course, no job is complete without the 6-foot-long snap-on 3/4 inch drive ratchet. Look at that thing. As tall as I am. Golly. But anyway, we'll add that too. Put some anti-seize on our ball. Put it on here. Torque it to 647 foot-pounds. And be good to go.
I'll do that.
So Brandel actually had a 2-inch ball that I'm trading him a 2 and 5-inch ball for, because my trailer hitch is 2 inches, or my trailer takes a 2-inch ball, and he needs a bigger trailer hitch ball for his. So it worked out pretty good for the swap. Now let's show you how the final product looks. So basically, if you want to add a trailer hitch receiver to your quick hitch, you got some 2.5-inch tubing laying around, or go buy some from Lowe's or something for for $5-10 or whatever, you can make this as well. It's an easy project. Took us about, I don't know, 45 minutes, something like that. Not a long time at all. So hey, listen, I appreciate you guys watching. As always, there's going to be that little circle pop up over here underneath there. There's another video that you can watch from Hamiltonville Farm. You guys take care. We'll catch you on the next one.